Here's a quick tip. Also, don't mind the tooling sounds in the background. That's just Stead working on a project that you will see in another video. So I like, whenever I need to shape two pieces of leather to the same shape, for instance, on this knife sheath, it's a pancake knife sheath that, see, needs to be the same shape. I like to use a light coating contact cement, not that much, a light coating of contact cement on one side. Make sure you don't put too much because you're going to have to peel this back apart later. You can just put a light coating, stick them together, and then you can shape it. Here's another quick tip. Whenever I need to shape two identical pieces of leather, for instance, I'm sticking this knife sheath together, I like to use a rotary tool with a sanding drum, and that just makes it quick and easy.